Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem involving the roots of equation and its application. Here is the problem. Suppose alpha not equals to 1 and alpha is a root of x to the power 5 minus 1 equals 0. Find the value of 1 minus alpha times 1 minus alpha squared times 1 minus alpha power 3 times 1 minus alpha power 4. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab your pen and paper and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share your answers in the comment. Then we'll explore the solution together. Let's get started. There are various ways to solve this problem. We provide an elementary method here, which is suitable for beginners. First, factorize x power 5 minus 1 gives x minus 1 times x power 4 plus x power 3 plus x power 2 plus x plus 1. From the condition, we have alpha to the power 5 minus 1 equals 0. And since alpha not equals 1, we have alpha to the power 4 plus alpha to the power 3 plus alpha to the power 2 plus alpha plus 1 equals 0. Next, consider the expression and expand them according to grouping. That is, group the first and the last term. The expansion gives 1 minus alpha to the power 4 plus alpha to the power 5. While the expansion of the middle two terms is 1 minus alpha power 2 minus alpha power 3 plus alpha power 5. From the condition that alpha to the power 5 minus 1 equals 0, we have alpha to the power 5 is 1. So we obtain the following expression. Now expand it and do it carefully. We obtain the following. Again, alpha to the power 5 equals 1 implies that alpha to the power 6 equals alpha and alpha to the power 7 equals alpha squared. Change these last two terms and simplify the terms according to their powers. We obtain the following. Lastly, from the information above, we know that the sum of alphas is -1. So the expression has a value of 5. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more exciting math challenges in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.